Drape the yarn over your right needle with the tail end hanging in front. Hook the back strand with your forefinger and pull it toward the front. Slide your thumb behind the strand, pull forward, and let the loop slide off your forefinger. Push back on the rear strand with your forefinger to tension. This Y setup ensures your working yarn is in the right place for the final stitch. Keep it firm, but don't strangle it. For the purl, move your needle backward over the forefinger strand, around the back and up through the center. Then sweep forward over and around to grab the thumb strand and pull it back. For the knit, move forward over the thumb strand, around and up into the center. Then sweep backward, around, and all the way to the front to grab the forefinger strand. Remember, backward for purls, forward for knits. It'll feel a bit like you're drawing a figure 8 with your needle tip. Repeat those two moves until you have the number of stitches your pattern calls for. As you get the hang of it, don't worry about keeping your left hand stationary. Just keep the tension even and your count accurate. If you lose your place, look at the top strand. If the thumb strand is on top, you're moving backward for a purl. If the forefinger strand is on top, you're moving forward for a knit. Pinch your stitches against the needle and turn to work one foundation row flat. Follow a knit one through the back loop, slip one with yarn in front pattern. If your project is worked flat, repeat this pattern to the end of the row, turn, and work your ribbing as instructed. If you're joining in the round, repeat until you have 2 stitches left. To set it for a cleaner join, pick up your cast-on tail and catch it like a float while you're working the last knit one through the back loop and purl one. Pull it taut, just enough to close the gap of the join, but not enough to pucker. This makes the transition seamless. When you finish this first round, add a beginning of round marker and continue working the ribbing as your pattern instructs.